Are you tired of financial surprises derailing your budget? Imagine a world where unexpected expenses don't send you into a panic or push you into debt. Enter the sinking fund strategy, a practical and effective solution for stress-free saving. By setting aside small, consistent amounts for anticipated expenses, you can build a cushion that protects your finances from being dependent. In this video, we'll dive into how sinking funds can reshape your financial approach, empowering you with peace of mind and a clear strategic path to achieving your goals without the stress. What exactly is a sinking fund? A sinking fund is a dedicated savings account designed for a specific future expense, allowing individuals to save gradually and systematically. Unlike a general savings account where funds can be used for any purpose, a sinking fund is earmarked for particular expenses such as vacations, home repairs, or purchasing a new gadget. This financial strategy helps ensure that when these anticipated expenses arise, the necessary funds are already available. For example, recent financial data from 2024 shows that 62% of households with dedicated savings accounts for specific expenses reported less reliance on credit cards for non-emergency purchases. By contributing a fixed amount regularly, whether it's weekly or monthly, individuals can avoid the pitfalls of last-minute borrowing, which often incurs high interest rates. This planned approach promotes disciplined saving habits, minimizes financial strain, and supports long-term financial health. The importance of such funds has become more pronounced in recent years as inflation and living costs have risen, making financial preparedness essential for many households. The magic of sinking funds. Why they work. The power of sinking funds lies in their ability to break down large, often overwhelming expenses into manageable, smaller contributions. This method contrasts starkly with scrambling to gather a large sum at the last minute or resorting to debt. For example, in 2024, the average cost of a home repair was reported to be around $3,000, according to the Home Improvement Research Institute. Without a sinking fund, many homeowners faced financial strain or high-interest debt to cover such expenses. By planning and contributing incrementally to a sinking fund, individuals experience reduced stress and a proactive approach to managing their finances. This strategy supports better budgeting practices by compartmentalizing funds and preventing the misuse of savings earmarked for different purposes. Moreover, data shows that households using targeted savings methods, like sinking funds, were 45% more likely to meet financial goals without incurring new debt, highlighting their effectiveness in fostering financial resilience and stability. Setting up your sinking fund. Setting up your sinking fund starts with identifying your goals, whether you're saving for a new car, holiday gifts, or building an emergency fund. Once you know what you're saving for, the next step is to calculate the total amount needed for each goal. With the estimated cost in mind, set a timeline to determine when you'll need the funds. This timeline will help you figure out how much to contribute each month. Simply divide the total cost by the number of months until the expense to find your monthly savings target. Finally, choose a separate savings account dedicated to your sinking fund to keep it organized and trackable. This approach prevents mixing funds and helps maintain clarity and commitment toward reaching your financial goals. Real-life examples. Sinking funds in action. Sinking funds can be incredibly effective when applied to real-life situations. For instance, if you're planning a $2,400 vacation next year, saving $200 each month allows you to reach your goal without having to rely on credit or take on debt. This method of gradual saving helps you enjoy your trip stress-free, knowing it's fully paid for in advance. Similarly, home maintenance is a common expense that can be managed with a sinking fund. If you anticipate a $1,200 roof repair in 6 months, putting aside $200 per month ensures that you're ready when the bill comes due, eliminating the need for emergency loans or high-interest payments. Another practical example is holiday shopping. If you plan to spend $600 on gifts, starting in January and saving $50 monthly will let you build up the amount you need by December. This approach prevents last-minute financial stress and helps you enjoy the holiday season without the worry of overspending or running up credit card debt. The psychological benefits. Peace of mind and reduced stress. Having a sinking fund offers significant psychological advantages, primarily by alleviating financial anxiety. Knowing that you have money set aside for specific expenses brings a sense of security and reduces the stress associated with unexpected costs. This preparedness shifts your financial mindset from reactive to proactive, enabling you to manage your finances with confidence. With a sinking fund, you gain control over your money, making it easier to handle planned expenditures without worry. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of resorting to debt, which can create a cycle of stress and financial strain. Research from 2024 on consumer financial behavior indicates that individuals who use targeted saving strategies report feeling 30% more confident in their financial stability compared to those without such plans. This boost in peace of mind can lead to better decision-making and overall well-being, as financial stress is one of the leading causes of anxiety and related health issues. Sinking funds versus emergency funds. Understanding the difference. While both sinking funds and emergency funds are essential saving strategies, they serve distinct purposes. Sinking funds are designed for planned, anticipated expenses, think vacations, home improvements, or holiday shopping. They are targeted savings that allow you to allocate money over time for specific goals, helping you avoid last-minute financial stress or credit reliance. In contrast, emergency funds act as a financial safety net for unforeseen events such as medical emergencies, sudden car repairs, or job loss. Their purpose is to cover unplanned expenses and prevent you from derailing your financial stability during crisis. Maintaining both types of funds ensures that you are comprehensively prepared. Your sinking fund addresses known, upcoming costs, while your emergency fund stands ready for unexpected setbacks. Recent studies indicate that households maintain both types of savings were 40% more likely to handle sudden financial challenges without accumulating debt, underscoring the importance of a dual approach to savings. Common sinking fund categories to consider. Sinking funds can be tailored to suit a variety of planned expenses, making them an essential tool for targeted saving. One of the most practical categories is home repairs, which can cover both routine maintenance and unexpected fixes, such as plumbing or electrical issues. Allocating funds for home upkeep ensures you're prepared for any surprise repair bills. Another vital category is vehicle expenses, which include routine maintenance, repairs, or even saving for a future car replacement. Setting aside money for these needs helps avoid costly loans or sudden out-of-pocket expenses. Medical costs are also a smart category for a sinking fund. While health insurance may cover major expenses, out-of-pocket costs for procedures, medications, or specialized treatments can add up quickly. Having a dedicated medical sinking fund can bridge the gap between insurance coverage and actual costs. Additionally, education. Whether for continuing your own education, taking professional certifications, or planning for your children's tuition is another excellent use for a sinking fund. This proactive saving approach can alleviate the pressure when educational expenses arise. Finally, many people find it beneficial to create sinking funds for gifts and celebrations. Budgeting throughout the year for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions prevents overspending during these times and helps you enjoy celebrations without financial stress. Surveys show that households who budgeted for these categories reported a 25% decrease in financial strain during the holiday season, demonstrating the effectiveness of sinking funds in enhancing overall financial well-being. Tools and apps to manage your sinking funds. Managing sinking funds is easier with the right tools. Every dollar allows you to create budget categories, set goals, and track your progress, making it simple to contribute regularly. You Eat a Budget is another excellent option that encourages you to allocate every dollar to a purpose, ensuring disciplined saving. Both apps offer features like reminders and progress tracking to keep you on target. Mint also stands out for aggregating all financial accounts and allowing you to set individual savings goals. In 2024, users of these apps were found to be 30% more successful at maintaining financial goals compared to manual budgeting. These tools help make saving organized, efficient, and easy to manage. Avoiding common pitfalls. Tips for success. To maximize the benefits of sinking funds, it's essential to avoid common mistakes. Staying consistent with your contributions is crucial. Even small, regular deposits can add up over time and ensure you meet your financial goals. It's also important to review and adjust your saving strategy periodically. Life circumstances and expenses can change, so reassessing your goals and adjusting the amounts as needed helps keep your plan relevant and effective. Finally, avoid the temptation to use your sinking funds for unrelated expenses by keeping them separate from your main savings or checking accounts. This separation helps maintain discipline and ensures that the money is available when you need it for its intended purpose. The long-term impact. Building financial resilience. Implementing sinking funds cultivates a strong habit of saving and instills financial discipline. Over time, this approach builds resilience, enabling you to manage life's financial challenges with confidence and minimal stress. Incorporating sinking funds into your financial plan is a proactive strategy that transforms the way you handle both expected and unexpected expenses. By anticipating future costs and saving for them incrementally, you gain greater control over your finances, reduce anxiety, and create a safety net that prevents debt accumulation. This method sets you up for long-term financial security and peace of mind. Starting a sinking fund today can be the key to a stable and worry-free financial future, making it a valuable tool in your personal finance toolkit. That's all for today's video. If you found this video on sinking funds helpful, don't forget to take action and start your journey to stress-free saving today. Implementing these strategies can make a world of difference in your financial stability and peace of mind. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it, subscribe to our channel,